You plan on getting a Tiffin, there's a lot of them out there. People love them.
You know, a lot of people were worried about the quality of Tiffin over the last couple years, and we had seen some at some other shows that we were a little disappointed in, but if you have a ton of grandkids or like to have people visit you, this is a really, really good option for a coach for you.
Hey everyone, Izzy from Endless RVing. We're at the 2024 Florida RV Super Show, Tampa show. Behind us, we have one of the best bangs for the buck. This is the bestseller line in the Tiffin diesel line. It's the 2024 Tiffin Phaeton. This is model 44OH. It's a 4-slide coach. It's coming in very competitively priced. This unit offers a lot for the money. We're going to take you on a full exterior and an interior tour. So this unit is on the Freightliner now Powerglide. So traditionally, prior to a couple of years ago, Tiffin used to make their own Powerglide chassis. That was then kind of outsourced to Freightliner, so it's technically like a Freightliner chassis. So we're gonna tell you a little bit more about it as we go along in this video. So starting out right up front, you can see, I love the front of the Tiffins. They just do such a beautiful job. They've done a lot of improvements. You're gonna see them inside. Frameless windows is one of them. You have the fully bonded windshield like a regular car out there. So you don't get that big seam that you would see like on the Integra coaches. Get your projector lights, and then you see all your marker lights, LEDs. Over here, you have your chromed out mirrors. Camera is built into the mirror, which is really nice because it's gonna give you shot of this whole blind spot. Now continuing down on the passenger side, you have a Girard awning over the door, so when you come out, if it's been raining a lot down here, you won't get wet. And then you see another Girard awning over the whole side of the passenger side, as well as your gutter has a gutter extension. Large front tire on your polished out wheels. These are 295/80 22.5s. You get your touch screen where you can lock the door. You have your controls right there. Of course, the Tiffin Motorhomes roughing it smoothly. Double steps going out, and they do have like that chromed out finish. As you can see, they will power in, and you can see it's a, even though it's 2 steps, there's not a big step going up. Now, this is a 4-slide coach. You're gonna have 2 slides on the passenger side, 2 slides on the driver's side, full body paint, frameless windows like I told you, slide toppers on the slides. You have all your LED docking lights. I'm just gonna show you a couple of these bays, and this is where it really shines. There is a ton of storage space on here. You see your controls, your pump for your hydraulic, as well as all your awning controls. They give you some 12 volt in there, multiple 120 outlets. And now look at this massive storage space. And one thing I like about this unit, guys, aluminum doors, okay, very heavy. You're gonna see how they close. And then you also notice all of the slide outs are manual. A lot less to go wrong, and just a ton of space on here. I want you to listen to this and how easy these close. Tiffin's known for this. It's done. It's solid, guys. You see the
sounds beefy.
Real difference when you start getting to the higher end production motorhomes. Here's your next storage bay. Over here, you have, this is really gonna be where your tanks are, but they do give you a little bit of space up top. Now, before we continue on, I just wanna show you the beautiful outdoor entertainment center. And they give you an LG television with soundbar. And another thing I like about this is, look, kind of sucks in, and it gives you the lock so you can secure your goods. Now, one thing that Tiffin always does, they give you access to the back of the refrigerator.
That's so important.
It's really important. So if there's ever an issue with it, you have to get a tech out, you have access to everything here, because sometimes getting those refrigerator out is really not fun. Now let's continue, guys. Next bay, look how much storage you have in there. That's an enormous amount of storage. You have your transfer switch in there. This does have the tag axle. We'll give you all the weights as we continue along on this video. Last 2 bays, you have some more controls here. Give you a little bit of space. Your double chassis batteries, your whole house cutoff, it's all over here. Now, one drawback of this unit is that it is a rear mounted radiator. In order to get side mounted, you have to go up to the bus, which is right over there. But this is still a beautiful coach. 10,000 pounds of towing. You can see the large fiberglass cap, also your dual cameras. And then another thing I really like about this, it's just manual. I'm not gonna open it because I have the flagpole here, but no need for fanciness, manual, this just opens right up. Now with the rear mounted radiator, you do open up some storage both in the first 2 bays on the driver's side. And you can see it's finished out in like that rhino liner finish. There's that thump again. Of course, you have a power cord reel. There's going to be your DEF fill tank. Here's slide number 3, slide number 4. Now you might be asking, what is this? What is this cutout in the slide? Well, when you go inside, this is actually the bedroom slide. Behind the headboard, they give you an egress door. And Tiffin has started doing that. On the bus, they give you a full door. This is kind of like a half door, but it's definitely...
For those who don't know what an egress door is.
So essentially, it's an emergency exit. A lot of these units will have exits built into the windows, like ours. The reality is a lot of people that own these tend to be older. Some have mobility issues, so this makes it a lot easier to get out in the case of emergency. Next 2 bays. AquaHot 450D, this is your hydronic heating unit. It'll be responsible for the heat inside this coach as well as heating your water. Next bay, very simple wet bay, nothing fancy here, but they give you, well, you saw that LED pop on.
Right on, yeah.
Sea level, so it tells you all of your measures. Battery fresh, there's nothing gray, there's nothing black's nothing in there.
Yeah, don't take this into the sea thinking it's C-S-E-A.
Control for your water pump, you'll see that, hear that go on. Then whole house filtration, outdoor shower, city, tank, GFCI outlets.
Look at this.
Yeah, they have everything here.
A little place for hand sanitizer. I like that a lot. I haven't seen that.
Another thing I like, it's manual dumps. Give me manual dumps, I'm good. And everything is up in the bay. And you also have your hose that's built in on a power reel. Next bay, look at this massive storage in here.
And I do like the manual
I like
trays
that
as well.
This is just the other side of everything that's going on in here. You see all the controls for as far as your cutoff switches. There's your Magnum Pure Sine inverter. And then we'll go over to your last 2 bays. Now they're not lithium, but you can get lithium either optioned in or if you want to upgrade that. But they are in a battery tray, which is a nice thing. And then finally, you have your front bay here. Everything's nice and neat.
It looks really good.
Yeah, it looks really good. Your release for your front slide out tray where the generator is held will be in there. Here is your fill. And then I'm going to give you some specs. So one of the things we find in a lot of these motorhomes that is usually lacking is the terrible mattress that they have. And about 2 years ago, over 2 years ago, we updated our RV mattress to a mattress from RVmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding. They make RV specific mattresses that are amazing.
And the beautiful thing is they make mattresses and all products for your RV and for your home. We have a Brooklyn Bedding mattress at home as well for Jason's bed. They make weighted blankets, cooling pillows. We have that at home as well. It's extremely comfortable. What I love is that they have a 120-night sleep trial. So if you feel that you aren't going to be able to tell in a week or 2 if this mattress is for you, take that 120 nights. And if it isn't for you, then you can send it back, donate it, whatever.
Yeah, no problem. They're headquartered in the USA. They have all different types of mattresses, whether you want a memory foam, one with coils, a hybrid of both. They have something for your RV. What's pretty awesome, guys, is that they are very competitively priced, but with our discount code,
Endless,
you will get 25% off of your purchase. Now, we have been associated with them for 3 years, and we've gotten so much feedback from our followers on how much they love their mattress.
And the customer service is amazing there, guys. If you ever have an issue, they are there to help you. Also, if you're a full-time RVer, guys, you can have this shipped right to your doorstep at your campground, so you don't have to go, shopping for a mattress. It comes right to you. It's so easy.
One way to ruin your trip, guys, is not getting a good night's sleep. So if you're ready to upgrade your mattress, we're going to put the information down below for RVmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding. So here are some of the specs, guys. Overall length 45 feet. The wheelbase 310 inches. The width is 101. Overall height, this is a big boy, 13.3. The minimum garage height is 14 feet. Interior height 83 inches. Interior width 96 inches. The square footage on this unit 440 square feet of living space. And then your basement storage, this is in cubic feet, 232. So massive amount of storage down below. Gross axle weight rating for the front is 15,660 pounds. For the tag, it's 10,000. For the rear, 20,000. Gross vehicle weight rating is 45,660 pounds. Maximum trailer is 10,000 pounds, and gross combined weight rating is 55,660 pounds. Now your capacities, fuel is 100 gallons of diesel, DEF is 10.
A timeout. Look who's coming to say hello.
The DEF on the Freightliner chassis is 13 gallons. Freshwater 100, gray water 100, that's awesome. Black tank 55, there's no LP, there's an all electric coach. Number of slide outs are 4, sleeping capacity 2 to 8. It depends, you're gonna see a drop down bunk.
There's quite a few places to sleep.
A couple other things on the engine, it's the Cummins L9, 450 horsepower, 1,250 foot-pounds of torque. Comes with the Allison Motorhome 6-speed transmission, and everything else in here You have exhaust brake, 3-stage compression brake, and all the other amenities, air ride, everything is on here. We'll put the link down below for all the specs. I'm done on the outside. Let's go on the inside.
The fun and the awesome perks start right when you step inside. So you have beautifully LED lit steps. You have your handrail here too if you need some help getting up the stairs. What I like is right when you walk in, right to the left, you have your master light switches and all the locks, awning, everything right there. But not only that, guys, this is very cool. You have it here, but you have it when you're sitting too. So you're able to put this step cover out so you can put your feet and they're not dangling over the steps. You have all your light controls right there. That is great. You have a cup holder. You've got a little charging pad there. Same thing on the other side with the cup holder, of course. Let's sit in this and see how this is. I like the dash too. It's kind of condensed. It's concise. You know, it's not spreading out all over. You have your electronic leveling here, your parking, your air brakes, and then here's your cameras. It's very right here. It's almost like that's a separate area, the co-captain's chair. Little storage drawer here for you. Very, very comfortable. So you have this bunk here. This is the first sleeping space that you have when you get onto the coach. Really, really nice size bunk. Now, when you have the bunk, guys, you are going to lose some storage space over here, but it's okay. You have plenty of storage elsewhere in the coach. So this is great if you have grandkids or I mean, even Jason would fit up there.
A surprise guest.
Yeah, anybody. So you're just going to bring that down. Excellent. First sleeping space. Then we're going to move into here, these beautifully tiled floors. Gorgeous. So this is another sleeping space. So you can have 1 or 2 people up there. This is going to be a trifold. So this is going to open out into a trifold, but it's a really, really comfortable couch. And you can, of course, option in other seating arrangements. Then you're going to have this, which is a jackknife sofa. So you have that, and this. If you have a ton of grandkids or like to have people visit you, this is a really, really good option for a coach for you.
I just want to comment, some people may go, well, I want theater seats. You can option in this floor plan different setup.
Right.
So just because it's set up this way, you can still get other type of furniture.
Absolutely. So you have a huge TV here. That's an LG TV. It's on a televator. So if you want, there's a huge window behind, put that down and you'll get all that interior light coming in. Here's your 110 outlets and some USBs. Really, really gorgeous valances in there. Your sound bar is tucked away nicely up top. You can barely see it there. I know a lot of people were worried about the quality of Tiffin over the last couple years, and we had seen some at some other shows that we were a little disappointed in, but so far at this show, we really like what we've been seeing in terms of quality, right? Would you agree?
Well, there was a video that Lee Tiffin did probably about a year ago talking about how they're really going to be committed back to what made them their name, like the quality.
And we're seeing that now, and it's really, really great. So you have some great cabinet space up here. You do have a little divider here, but those two are open. Beautiful window here again. So this is a nice freestanding dinette. You have your 2 chairs, your buffet style area here. Beautiful view out there. So that's really nice. Plenty of storage. I'm not going to open each one, but you have a lot of storage space in here that you can keep different things. More outlets, beautiful light fixtures there. That is really, really nice. We're going to hop over to the other side. Nice picture here. Really good sized kitchen, guys. So you're going to have a double sink here, so you can see that.
One is large.
Stainless steel sink. One side is very large. You're going to have a residential faucet. I like that black mat with a pull-down sprayer. That's a nice size too. And then you have a little soap dispenser here, which is pretty cool. So I like that. A lot of room back there to put things. So it's a deep kitchen counter, so you can keep a Keurig or other things there. You have a lot of spaces in here to keep your dishes or whatever. And as always, of course, happy trails, Bob and Judy Tiffin. That was signed September of 23. So that's really nice. You have a 2-burner true induction cooktop, which of course you can close down. It's locked, but you can close that down and you'll get extra prep and cutting space if you need that. Again, some more cabinetry here. You have the pull-out extended countertop here, guys. Solid surface countertops, absolutely beautiful. And then you get the extra drawer space, very long drawer space in here. These are all soft close. Okay, they're not dovetail, but they're really, really nice quality. And you're going to get your dishwasher here. Okay, and then just finishing up with some more cabinet space, plenty of room. They have a garbage can in there for you. And to complement the beautiful kitchen area, you have this gorgeous, enormous LG fridge and freezer. I like this with a little refrigerator. You have your temperatures and everything there with ice and water filter. Here's a pantry. Again, it's not going to be large because of the enormous living space that you have, but you have plenty of room in this coach to keep everything, plenty of storage compartments. This is a 1.5 bath coach. So here's your half bath here. Very comfortable. You had a nice tile backsplash here, a little medicine cabinet, some other little storage cabinets for you for, you know, any medicines or vitamins or anything. They give you a towel bar, which is really cool. Great sink, another soap dispenser, and some more. You're not wanting for space in here. And again, this is the half bath, and so you're gonna have the full bath as well. Every room, guys, is going to have your light controls there, so you can just at the touch of a button in any room, you can turn on and off. Here's your main control panel for the coach, so you can see here, you'll be able to see your battery levels, your tank levels. Again, you'll be able to control your lights on the entire coach, you know, your HVAC, everything is right there. Okay. Door will close here, so you'll have your privacy door for your bedroom, opening up into a nice size bedroom. You're going to have a king size bed. Over here, great size LG TV. There's kind of your AV area. They've been doing a great job with adding in the built-in hamper, which is beautiful. Nice wood hamper there. More drawers. I'm not going to open every one, but you get to see plenty of area to keep your clothes. Little shelf here if you'd like to keep hashtag stuff. That's a great place to put it. More storage up top. And these beautifully like swirled valances that we're seeing all around the coach is really nice. Nice wallpaper. And I usually don't like the dark interiors, but this is really nice. You have the hidden LED lighting all around the coach, and it is in here in the bedroom too.
I do have a question because you're touching everything. How does it feel as far as the sturdiness and the quality?
No, that's why I had said that before. It does feel really good. It really does. It's just, I'm not seeing things that we were seeing at that Baltimore show when we made that video. It seems things are kind of just tightened up and cleaned up. It's really nice to see. So then over the bed, you're going to have 4 cabinets. Won't open all of them, but you're able to see there is a divider in the middle, so you'll have like 2 sections there, some 110 outlets in there, and you have a nice ceiling fan too, which is always good in the bedroom. Beautiful headboard, and again, on the other side of this, as we said, is where that egress door is going to be. And you have windows on each side, a little nightstand, more chargers, guys. There's tons of chargers in all these RVs, filled with USBs. Little space for your nighttime knickknacks, whatever you need to put in there. Great size master bath here. So you're greeted with a towel holder. I always like when you have places to keep your towels. So more very spacious medicine cabinet areas, kind of his and her style, with one in the middle. You do have a double sink. Beautiful. I like the white solid surface countertops with the black matte looking faucets. That's really nice. Plenty of 110 outlets. And a ton of space underneath with some drawers there. Another nice piece of artwork. And then stepping into the shower, it is a really nice size shower. You do have a seat there. You have the shower miser and a place to keep. You want to hang washcloths or things like that. That's really good. This is a nice shower, and it's roomy. You have a lot more space out there. Some of the showers on the 44, 45 footers are much bigger, but you do have a ton of space out there.
So you have the walk-in closet.
Right. So you have areas in the sides here that you're getting that space. Okay, so behind the toilet, you always have a nice little place to keep your toilet paper if you want. Nice porcelain toilet with it's not a foot flush. You're going to have the electronic flush there. More places for your towels. And then moving back into the closet, you have a lot of storage space here. As always, here's your breakers. Nice lighted bar there for your clothes. There's your air conditioner overrides. More drawer space. You do have laundry, Splendid, washer and dryer here. A lot of area up top as well, guys. You can stack bins there, and I like the little lip here so things don't come falling out during travel. And this actually closes off too. I guess if you want to hang out in the closet in private, this is the closet eater, right? So yeah, you have a lot of different areas to keep clothes, shoes, things like that.
People want to ask the cargo carrying capacity for this particular unit. It is 6,846 pounds, so you have quite a lot to play with here. So let's talk about price. And as I started this video, I talked about value and how much you get for value. So we're going to give you the MSRP, then we're going to give you the show price.
So the MSRP is $549,909, and the show price, $432,995.
Now this is being offered by Lazy Days. It doesn't mean that this is the only place that has it. And this is also just a show price, so always room for negotiation. So in the comments below, let us know, are you a Tiffin owner? Do you plan on getting a Tiffin? There's a lot of them out there. People love them.
Yeah, did you like this floor plan?
Yeah, we really like this.
Yeah.
If you like videos like this, to the left of us, we'll put an RV Tourist playlist, we'll put an RV Newbies playlist, and for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.